Norman has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, north central Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over southeastern Oklahoma City, or over Tinker Air Force Base, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Moore, Midwest City, Del City, Choctaw, Hara, McLeod, Spencer, Jones, Tacoma Park, Luther, Valley Brook, Tinker Air Force Base, Stanley Draper Lake, Newalla, Forest Park, and Smith Village. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 124 and 131. Interstate 40 between mile markers 150 and 176. Interstate 44 between mile markers 145 and 152. Interstate 240 between mile markers 6 and 16. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.